are the Drone Light Show branch of Dronescape Club from Diamond Bar High School, where we explore drones and other unmanned aircraft with the mission to pioneer our next generation of school science, technology, engineer, art, and math curriculum.
Our goal is to guide members to build and program an inspiring, beautiful drone light show where people can enjoy it with their loved ones. We want to provide Drone Light Show to the community for celebrations to make it more memorable and also add reputation in our city. We also provide Drone Light Show as an environmental friendly replacement for fireworks, which is illegal in many cities.
Members of our club are taught how to use two of the most popular programming languages, Python and Java, to gather flight data and use it to create magnificent live shows. The world we know is constantly changing and becoming more technologically driven, and the need for computer literacy keeps growing. The skills we teach here don't just apply to this club, but follow our members into their lives and into their professional careers.
As drones are a form of technology becoming increasingly relevant in our world, these skills are very important to pioneering the future of technology. These skills can be used in any engineering and programming career. With the knowledge of being able to control several drones at once, you can efficiently help search and rescue teams find missing persons, or help program drones for aerial package delivery, a direction many companies such as Amazon are headed towards.
Our goal is to raise $13,000 by February to guide our members in creating and programming 50 drones by mid-April, and then eventually 100, and then 500. The created drones will continue to be used in the future of our club.
We want to prepare our students for the rising industries and get them ready for the future.